Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You guys are already familiar with this 2007 Toyota Tundra SR5. It's my personal vehicle at this moment. I'm making it ready for my wife. She would like to try to drive her and maybe fall in love with this Tundra. She's pretty cool. So far a bunch of stuff was fixed, and one of the items which we will hopefully fix in this video will be noisy rattling tailgate. This is what I mean. Right here, this baby makes a lot of noise. I got you a little bit closer so you can maybe hear it better. So if I touch this side, there's nothing happening here. I don't feel any play. It's coming from here, from this side. You can hear it right here. So let's go look together what it could be causing on this design, what could be wrong with it and how we can fix it. And obviously there could be multiple problems here. We could have this striker could be damaged or could be loose, for example. The bolts could be loose, but if we are looking at it, they seem to be aligned perfectly, both of them. There could be problem on the bottom in these areas, but now you can see it. I already took it apart. You can see probably a bunch of grease, green grease. That was one of the first items which I had to lubricate. These cables are in the good health, so they shouldn't be broken either. If you look at it, they should be not rattling there. And maybe, just maybe, you are such experts, you already saw the problem anyway. Because it's really clearly visible when you compare the right and left side. And I will show you what I think is the problem, what is the part, and how fast it will be to fix it. I assessed the strikers and the locks right here, that they are fine. When I kept looking at it, why is it rattling? And when you take your time and you pay attention, I saw there is a rubber bump stop right here, which actually, if you look at it, doesn't let that tailgate, or it lets it move, but very little. On the other side, the tailgate keeps moving crazy. And when we look, that part actually, the mount for it, the area is empty, and that little rubber bump stop is completely missing. I called Toyota and they said, no problem. We have part like that. We will order it for you and you can have it. So they call it cushion. The number 90541-11015. Hopefully, it's right here. Hopefully, that's all what needs to be done. So, let's open the bag. It's a huge bag for a tiny little part. Isn't it amazing? And I'm assuming, I hope you can see it, I'm assuming it will be just a simple squeeze in. I don't know why it's missing. Maybe it fell off. The other one seems to be in the good shape, so I don't know why this is not there. Let me move you so you can see the detail. I will attempt to push it in front of you. I will twist it a little bit. I didn't want to loop it because then it could theoretically pop out easily. But look at it. We have it in. It's perfectly sticking there. Let's see if we were correct or I'm just wrong. We got interrupted. I was doing pre-purchase inspection on this beautiful 2013 Sprinter camper van, so let's go back to our tailgate. And I think we got lucky It was the cheapest possible part to replace or buy to make this tailgate quiet again. Listen to this. Nothing. Before we had that huge rattle from this area, but now we have this part there. Oh, not enough. Everything is lined up correctly, and if I grab it and try to make that noise, there's nothing. Now I hear just a little bit from there, but the whole tailgate is secure, and will be pleasure to use it and drive with this Tundra around. I really hope you have enjoyed this video and many of you will find this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumb up and make sure you are subscribed. Have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.